So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to use level set for edge blending purpose. Okay, so let's start our video. And before starting this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai MERA, BAJRANGBALI. Now, what I'll do, I will just take this footage and I will paste here. And after this, I will just roughly take a key light. After taking a key light, just I'm picking this value and just I'm removing the green screen. Right. After this, just I need to minus this. Right. After doing this, what I'll do, I'll take here a copy. And before that, what guys can you do? You just take a roto and just I roughly mask the character for now. What it will affect my entire area. After this, I'm take a roto and take a marge here. And what I'll do, I give this A pipe to A, okay, and V pipe in my P. Now after this, just give this mask, okay. Now after this, I am taking a copy node and I am keeping this A pipe in my mask. I mean final character mat and the B pipe in my footage. After this, what I will do, I will take here a primal node. Now see, this is my final output, and here I will take a dispel for now because we have to take a dispel, right? So see, I have taken a dispel also. So now it's gone. But if I take, for example, if I take a checkerboard here and I will take a marge, so see, there is some white edges, right? For more better checking purpose, I am just minus this grade and see there is some white edges, right? How to fix this? Now here comes our node. Now take here level set, for example, and first of all let me go through this. See a threshold. If you increase this, your effect maybe little bit decrease, okay, matte. So don't increase this too much, okay. Maybe this is used for distance purpose, okay, to catch, but don't increase too much. Try to not to increase too much. You can just experiment with this, okay. Now then, here comes the gradient out motion. We keep this motion, okay. Sometimes we can keep this forward also, but mostly we can keep this motion. Now here is a create mat. If you just on this create mat, you just guys can modify the mat. I mean you can just shrink it or I mean just put it extra, right? Dial it, okay, like erode, okay. You guys can shrink it or extend it, okay. By on this, instead of taking a layer special, the color will produce a gradient ramp. For now, if I off this and I just connect this to my final mat and I just view this, then you have to go the RGB channel and see there is a forward channel, right? Now if I on this extra create mat and see how it will change, just you have to go this RGBA, right? Now see, if I increase more, it will change, okay. But one thing but just maintain, it will take too much heavy machine because it's taking a little bit heavy machine, okay. And it's a cache type, okay. So if I just I mean I have to reload the frame, then only it can show, okay. The main purpose of this to extend the mat or the to decrease the mat. The main thing is that, okay. So for now I'm just off this and off this, okay. Yeah, you guys can see, just play with this. I hope you guys can see the result. But for me it's not working. For I mean just not working because of some cache issue maybe, okay. But you guys can use this because I already used it previously, so I know. Just let me off this setting. I keep it default. After this, what I'll do, I will take here one sharpen node and keep this motion and keep this RGB. Now connect all this. After this, take a copy node. A pipe will be my sharpen and B pipe will be my PFS skill fill. After the PFS skill fill, after the I dispel, and here in copy node keep this input forward U and this is forward V, and this input will be forward U and the second also forward V. Now it was done. After this, what I'll do, I'll go to my RGBA, okay, channel, and here I will take a I distort node, and here UV channel I will keep this forward. After this, what I'll do, if I just view this and I just extend, see how it extended, right? See, it extended the outer part, see how it's extended, right? But don't increase too much because or it will look like somewhat, right? How it's extended, see. So it's catching this mat and increasing with that motion. I mean by calculating this mat, taking this mat, it increasing our luminance, right? Or edges type of thing, right? But it using this mat, okay. It using this mat, okay. It needs a mat, right, for motion. I mean for UV channel, right? Motion channel or forward channel, okay. So this is a process how we extend. Now after this, if I just increase this, okay, if I just increase a little bit, now see whenever I just view this, but if I off this, now see there is a white edges, but whenever I on this, see. But obviously yes, we have to put this just play around with this, and we have to use a roto, right? We have to carefully use a roto here. See, or else it will off one in every area. So you have to do edges, and there is some third-party tools and inbuilt tool also to only to use the edges alpha. Okay, how can you how guys you can extract the edges alpha? Just let me know, okay, or just play around with this. So there is a third-party tool, okay, I know, but I am not showing in this video that tools, okay. So just play around that edges tool, okay, to only the edges alpha, but you guys can fix this edges, right? So cool, right? Now after this, what guys you can take extra after this, just after level set, take a blur here and keep this all to motion channel and little bit blur, because it will fix some artifacts, okay. If there is some artifacts, like what is the artifacts now, if you guys just go to your for a channel, see this type of variation, right? Maybe it will fix, right? It will fix and get it smooth, right? So all the artifacts will be fixed, okay. See, right? So this is helpful for fixing artifacts. So I hope you guys like this video, okay. So this is our scripts, little script, okay, nothing else there. And another thing, you guys can use this also, this technique, or I prefer you not to use this technique. I mean, just keep this as default, I distort, keep it here. And what guys you can do, I mean, just keep your script just more neat and clean, right? For that, what guys you can do, you guys can just do the same thing. Let's take here a merge node and give the A pipe to I distort and B pipe to your footage, and keep this mask to mask roto, and keep this over to copy, okay. It will take the foreground footage with the background, it will replace, right? So see, the copy is also fine, right? See, if I view this thing, right? So by this way you guys can put it extra, right? How cool, right? So that's the main thing, main purpose, okay. So if you guys want to know, is it working same? Yes, it is working same, as you can see here, right? See, same working, right? And if I do here also, see, same working, right? So this is a cool technique, okay. In this video I have shown. So just practice with this and play with this, okay. And I hope by this way you guys can blend edges too much, right? And very faster way, right? So it's a very cool technique to blending edges with the BG, okay, or to fix white edges or black edges. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share the video to others. And thank you. Before ending this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai MERA.